Wheels and tires came for the 450. My Razor MXs and the Bajas. Shiny, pretty. And my wheels for the front and the Razor MXs. Regular T9. We're going to put them on and make another video. Cody. Got the wheels and tires on. Looks pretty nice. Haven't gone for a test ride yet. That's planning on doing now.